Hello my friends, welcome to Trading KS. Today is 25th of July 2025. Don't expect BURSA to be strong okay, because we got two very big risks okay, that could happen okay. One is this pressure on the Prime Minister, or tomorrow we got this himpunan turun annual, right, which is we are being told that it will be quite a big gathering quite a big gathering in the Dataran Merdeka there so there is one risk, and I mean something that people might fear investor might fear okay. And secondly, the tariff also not yet concluded how many percent that we are getting so don't expect market to be too strong okay. This news not only Malaysia actually this Yahoo News I mean global also reporting reporting this news okay. This here you see this Yahoo News okay, reported this himpunan turun annual rally, right, may shake PM grip say analysts this is what they see maybe you want to take a look at this that's why don't expect BURSA to be strong with this style of news this style of activity happening. So have to be careful what I did today okay. Today I told you okay, cut down all the technology stock cut down first okay. We want to give ourselves room to maneuver okay. Let's say something bad happen okay, let's say on the this negotiation tariff negotiation okay. So if market drop okay, we got another we got extra capital to buy when it's low okay. So we got maneuver, so don't get back yourself to the wall okay. So we got no maneuver, so if it goes down we pick up again at a low price lower price, and now already very low okay. Now already low because all these technology stock already being hammered down okay. But then we can buy it at even lower okay, which is very good okay. First okay, secondly, if okay turn around okay, means this gathering didn't gather momentum, or this turun annual gathering didn't gather momentum, and also this probably this on this negotiation okay also get well okay, also turn also been better than expected now we are expecting 30 20 something like 20 okay. There is news but rumor say 20, but our minister say no they are still negotiating okay. But if we get lower than 20 maybe we can the market rip higher okay, then we can add okay. So we give ourselves to maneuver, so don't corner yourself, throw in everything now. The next, we don't know what will happen. If the next thing happen bad, you got no way to maneuver you back yourself into the wall okay. So a quick disclaimer before continue. Now it's very these few days is very concerning okay. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. I don't expect foreign fund to be jumping in, local institution to be jumping in without all these two, with these two concerning these two event happening okay. We don't expect big volume and big big investment okay. So let's check out the global market first. Now is 322 lah. Okay, still early lah. Okay, so we are doing a bit early because I don't see anything it will turn good lah in the closing time lah. Okay, today whole day has been quite you can feel lah sentiment lah. Market is worried lah. Okay, BURSA lah, I mean local market worried. Okay, so BURSA is 1529 up 11 drop 11.29 points 0.733%. This is not closing numbers. Okay. Singapore dropped 0.272%, Hong Kong dropped 1.109%, South Korea up 0.176%, Japan dropped 0.885%, Thailand up 0.413%, China FTSE dropped 0.638%, China SSE dropped 0.335%, China SXSE dropped 0.223%. So China, I hear there is China and Europe, China president and Europe EU president met so they have some not to say argue but how they call it this disagreement okay, so they are looks like they are, that's why there are some and the meeting also cut short what I hear okay, so maybe you want to follow the news okay. Australia dropped 0.448%, Taiwan dropped 0.004%, and India Nifty dropped 0.801%. Not only Malaysia weak others also slightly weak okay. And look at Europe, UK yesterday dropped 0.282% and DAX dropped 0.827%. Okay, so maybe due to this issue between EU and China. Dow Jones yesterday, US Dow Jones dropped 0.703%, NYSE dropped 0.327%, Nasdaq S&P up 0.07%, and Nasdaq up 0.18%. Palm oil will continue to get strong, okay, to continue to get stronger, up 4,220, Brent oil 68, crude oil 66, gold 3,359, and silver 39.29. Also, they got this disagreement on this Ukraine and Russia war also Also, there are some disagreement there So, Bitcoin big drop okay, 115 Ethereum 3656 so Bitcoin got big drop. Wait I have to unpin first. If I don't unpin I found the problem after I pin okay, after I pin, I press the tab I need to click the map in order to search but if I unpin it I don't need. So you see I click here straight away I can search. So there's something wrong with the pin problem okay. Oh wow, okay. Okay, looks like it's looks like it's coming down 115 must hold okay, 115 don't hold, I think it's coming down I think ETH all those also should follow okay. Once Bitcoin cannot hold okay, you see all these already start to break drop already start to retrace Solana, all these already start to retrace so once it cannot hold 115 I think it will drop okay, maybe 110 or 105 these two area okay. There will be okay to do techno okay, for short term trade, for short term Bitcoin crypto investor okay. 1530 now drops 10.05 points 0.65%. Volume is 2.345 billion now is 330 maybe can reach, maybe I don't think can reach 3 maybe near 3 billion okay. Sentiment is 32, gainers 292, losers 613, unchanged is 440, untrade is 1181 so yesterday foreign fund got net buy 23 million, local institution net sell 4 million, and local retail net sell 19 million. Okay, nothing much to look at today here. Only Axiata still strong and Velasco. Okay, look at the sector, quite bad okay. All in percentage construction drop 1.06, consumer drop 0.49, energy up 0.2, finance drop 0.34, healthcare drop 0.85, industry drop 0.63, Plantation drop 0.65, property drop 0.68, REIT drop 0.19, technology drop 0.1, telco up 0.74, transportation drop 0.07, utilities drop 0.78. Okay, so quite weak. Look at the chart. KLCI. K1530 trying to hold 1530. I think this one could turn to this could turn to a bigger channel. I think it could turn to this. Okay, so be careful lah. Because we want after a breakout, right? We want a continuation lah. Means continue make higher high lah. Okay, don't make lower high after a breakout lah. Means already high. Okay, then close at the lower. The best is you need to close higher than this lah. Okay, but it close much lower is bad lah. Okay. Okay, if it close much lower than the previous closing, which is bad lah. If you look at the 1 hour, right, it's making lower high Okay. Sorry, 15 minute look at the 15 minute okay. It's making a lower high, a lower low. Sorry, a lower low, lower low. Okay, it break out, make a low, come back. Now it's making a lower low already. Okay, in the 15 minute Okay, this is not so good Okay, this is not so good Okay, but anything can happen And want to see what happened to tomorrow rally. Okay, if the rally is very strong, then have to be more concerning Okay. Ace market dropped 0.28. Ace market now become flat already become flat. Mid cap also still flat. Mid cap dropped 0.4. Small cap ace market just now dropped 0.28, and small cap dropped 0.31. Okay, percent all in percentage so looks like this one also difficult going up Okay, construction dropped 1% already. So construction okay, hit the target hit the target area. We measure a bit, so slowly sliding down. We got divergence so it looks like it's coming back down Okay. Other than that, nothing much Technology not moving Technology yesterday we got false break. Today we try to drop lower, but it's pushing up a bit So there's no direction Okay, utilities also starting to slow down. Okay, let's look at Facebook Today Mr. Bean also sleep SciPark no movement Oh, SciPark drop already. This is not no movement This is dangerous Oh, SciPark not good cut down first Okay, doesn't look so good. Cut down first. As I say now this time okay, with all these news hovering, okay, the tariff, the himpunan, all this the market is fearful market is fearful. I think this one also cut down if it drop some more, if we cannot hold this one out first okay, if we cannot hold this one out first. Market is not well at all Okay. Okay, drop below 0.83. I think out first. Very risky now, very scary the market. You have to know, right? Market fear foreign pressure to the trade pressure Trade pressure means trading, export pressure. All these trade pressure. We got trade pressure from the tariff. Then market also fear unstable government. I'm not saying that this rally can push the government down. No I don't think so The government will not be easily pushed down. Just simple, just like that Okay, but people are fearful People fearful this thing a country, a stock market fearful of government instability and foreign trade issue So these are some of the things that will spook a market Okay. Axiata already hit target already, right? Short term target already hit, right? Okay. Short term target area is here You want to short term target here but long term maybe still can go higher Long term it might I mean long term means years lah, not few months one lah. So short term target is around 280 lah. Okay, this one almost hit the target lah. Okay, David. What? High drink coffee high already. This John Cypher sleeping lah. Andy. Top fan lah Andy. Okay. Andy also. Five, 2, 4, 3. Well, let's talk top gainers later. We take a look. Well, let's talk. Andy crying. Okay. What do you expect? You don't expect much, right? We got two big pressure point. Two big pressure point. So you don't expect market to be well without these two things resolved lah. Okay, you don't expect lah. That's why I told you try to cut down first lah. Okay, try to cut down first. This one Malaysia on track. US trade deal aim. This one got news later we're gonna take a look lah. Keyword not confident. not confident lah. Okay. So later we're gonna take a look lah. Also, as neighbor strike deal, like Malaysia risk of being left out of the favorable terms with US lah. So you didn't quickly strike a deal so we might any good order, big order, other might get first lah. This is a problem lah. Makan pisang di chance. Okay lah. So this was the news at the Yahoo News. So it was global also. Is not take notice of this news. Yeah, today very bad news. Okay, this Hulk Hogan. You know right, the wrestler everybody know lah. I think Hulk Hogan everybody know passed away lah. Okay, yeah, very very sad news. We grow up watching Hulk Hogan last time lah. Our hero, right? I mean in the if you watch wrestling lah. So he passed away lah today. So there are some others report lah. They expect to be one of the biggest anti-PM protests since Najib era lah. Okay. This is the one. This is the news lah.
As neighbors strike deal, Malaysia risks being left out of favorable terms with US.
Okay.
As Southeast Asian neighbors struck deals with the US for lower tariffs. Malaysia's refusal to compromise on some of its long-standing policies risks leaving it out of potentially more favorable terms. Non-tariff barriers such as halal certification, foreign equity restrictions, and procurement policies favoring Bumiputera companies have all been stumbling blocks for Malaysia's negotiations on other free trade agreements. According to Tricia Yeo, an associate professor of practice at the University of Nottingham, Malaysia's School of Politics and International Relations, these are some things we do not seem willing to budge on, Yeo said, and may be the source of delays in coming to a trade deal with the US. Unlike our neighbors in Indonesia and Vietnam.
Okay, so there are still a few barriers lah. Okay, so and this one another news lah. Okay.
Zafrul, Malaysia on track for US trade deal by August 1st, aims for lowest tariff.
Okay. This one. This is all reported by the S.
Malaysia is still on track to secure a trade deal with the US by the August 1st deadline at the lowest possible tariff, according to Investment, Trade and Industry Minister Tengku Datuk Seri Zafrul Abdul Aziz. He denied a Bloomberg report that Malaysia was eyeing a 20% tariff. No, That is not the direction. The direction is to get as low as possible, he told the press on Thursday. However, Zafrul admitted he is not confident of securing a sub-20% tariff, but said that is his target.
Okay, so that's why there's some rumors saying 20%, but he saying it's not true but he is also not confident securing a tariff below 20 so we're going to continue and see okay, on this one. Okay, so let's check out some other news.
VITROX's 2Q net profit flat despite 33% revenue growth as tax incentives expire.
Okay. So second quarter, last year 137 million, now 183 million, profit 28 million, 21.1 and 28.1 so only up to 0.1% our compared to last year. Okay, so let's check out VITROX. VITROX still strong today, 4% up, volume 1 million to 3 million, so there are some still some momentum Okay, VITROX, where's the target? 4.3 okay, 4.3 area okay, hopefully can reach okay. I think there's another news okay, still okay VITROX, still okay. Okay, hopefully still can go Now you want to watch here Okay, it shouldn't drop below 3.49 okay.
Luxcom's 2Q net profit down 27% on weaker sales, pays 0.7 sen dividend.
Okay, second quarter 210 million, now 187 revenue drop okay, 210 to 187 million, profit 12.2 million to 8.9 million so both also drop 27% profit. Okay, Luxchem, remember we really saw it broke the support and we got head and shoulder, so we expect it to come lower okay, to drop lower.
SMRT buys third freighter for RM 110 mil from Ireland-based Genesis.
Okay, so they buy another freighter Okay, let's look at SMRT. Okay, SMRT keep on going up after this rebound so SMRT really up quite a lot All those who really get caught one is chance to run Those got high here, I think difficult but it's still going it's still turning around maybe making a U-turn so you want to watch maybe long term, it's making a U-turn okay. As long as making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, okay so you draw a line like that okay. As long as stay above this line, you connect this bottom to this bottom. As long as stay above this line, okay okay. SMRT waited many years finally starting to rebound.
First quarter net profit fell 18%. EUPE warned of SST impact.
Okay, so SST might impact this profit okay. This is what EUPE saying So first quarter 112 million, now 82 million revenue, profit 9.4, now is 7.7
EUPE Corporation birds, EUPE, 6,815. Mainboard Property, net profit for the first quarter of its financial year 2026, ended May 31st, fell 18.7% year-on-year to Rm 7.66 million due to poor performance in its property development and construction businesses, while warning that the Sales and Services Tax (SST) has brought great uncertainty to the local property sector.
EUPE. EUPE, so the report also not good so don't expect it to go to rebound have any maybe it might even drop lower so don't expect anything much
KEYFIELD wins Petronas Carigali.
KEYFIELD wins Petronas Carigali contract. KEYFIELD International Birds, KIB, wholly owned subsidiary, KEYFIELD Offshore SDNBHD, KOSB, has been granted a work order award on June 9, 2025 from Petronas Carigali SDNBHD for the provision of an accommodation workboat, AWB.
Okay, so still dropping nothing much to look at.
Consumer sector set for boost from cash aid, fuel reforms, analysts.
Okay.
Analysts said the likes of Nestle, BHD, Fraser and Neve Holdings BHD, QL Resources BHD and Farm Fresh BHD should benefit from increased demand for staple F&B products, many of which may be eligible for purchase using the RM100 credit. The retailers expected to benefit from these initiatives include 99 Speed Mart Retail Holdings BHD, Aeon Co., BHD, Eco Shop Marketing BHD and Mr. DIY Group, BHD.
Okay, so you want to watch this so this could be the one that benefit okay, from the new policy
Intel is cutting more jobs as CEO Tan tries to fix manufacturing missteps.
Okay.
HLIB downgrades VITROX to sell on tax burden, valuation concerns.
Okay, so they change to sell 2.65 okay, VITROX. Okay, so they drop it to here okay, maybe it will drop to here, maybe rebound a bit more take some profit first so there's a risk that it might drop okay.
Trump says he wants Musk and his companies to thrive in US.
Okay.
TikTok will go dark in US without Chinese approval of sale deal, US Commerce Secretary says.
Okay, so they must stop the TikTok
Eco Shop rancang buka 70 cawangan baharu setiap tahun.
Every year 70 wow, very ambitious okay. Eco Shop breakout, let's see Eco Shop so Eco Shop is an uptrend channel as long as stay above the channel okay you drop outside the channel, be careful Eco Shop.
US lifts sanctions on Myanmar junta allies after general praises Trump.
Praise Trump, pandai so we got this lift sanction.
The United States lifted sanctions designations on several allies of Myanmar's ruling generals on Thursday. 2 weeks after the head of the ruling junta praised US President Donald Trump and called for an easing of sanctions in a letter responding to a tariff warning.
Okay.
BURSA slips 0.73% at midday as investors trim positions ahead of weekend.
Okay, so the weekend, so they are not, they might be fearful.
Police respect right to peaceful assembly, will ensure security at rally.
Okay.
IGP.
So this time the police allow the rally Okay. Wow, a lot headache, the PM, a lot of this is not direct, I mean anything to do with the PM they just Rafizi call for MACC this one
Rafizi calls for MAC to investigate PM's former aide Farhash over alleged Sabre mining license.
Okay, former aide not, I don't, probably nothing to do with the PM now Okay, but we have to wait and see
Sapura Energy bags over RM 500 mil contracts in Thailand.
Okay, so soon nothing Sapura Energy despite the news. Okay, a quick message before I continue to the top gainers. Remember, like, share, comment, support the channel. Okay, all the links are at the description area. Link to CGS, iTrade, TradingView, and this Luno. Okay, you use my link, you can get some reward, some discount, all these things So you want to open account with CGS to invest Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, US market. Okay, you can try CGS. My friend is a remiser, very friendly guy Okay, if you want to buy crypto down there, the Luno, you want to open this TradingView, this chart software that I'm using you can try the free version, paid version also can. You use my link Okay. Nestle Axiata. Okay, Nestle is still climbing but the big resistance is here Okay, 87 but I think long term Nestle, we just now the news saying that these are 100 ringgit rise or might give it some more a push Okay, so this one maybe you want to keep it longer term and see Axiata. Okay, Axiata I said reach the target area one more push to reach target. Whether you want to keep long term, it's up to you, but here after it hit the target, I think it might retrace a bit Okay, Inform too strong Okay, so breaking to 1 ringgit looks like it still can go, but I'm not chasing too high already. Okay, I'm not chasing this time. Okay, it's too high already. PIE already dropped below the triangle not good Okay, SMRT. FIT also dropped below support, also not very good. Tanjong. Yesterday so went up already yesterday. Someone crying that the price dropped yesterday so time to be for good chance for you to out if you cannot take the hit chasing high, right? Better out first Okay, so today it rebound already Okay, at overbought area. I said this one play some coffee money only because this is no pattern support. They just goring just short goring only, so there's no like flat pattern, any good pattern support. Okay, so this one could be a fake, then start to drop when they want to. Means the gang of investor here want to trap you, they want to throw, but not enough volume, so they have to generate a breakout, a push higher, so everybody will jump in again to take over their this volume that they want to sell, okay. So for now, okay, for now it's still okay. As I said, it haven't dropped below 0.83 but if we can take the hit but if we cannot take the hit, better sell first okay. Means you're over positioning, okay, you're paying too much to chase high, okay. Half swing not good, but half swing due to the maybe a rebound is due to this one, due to the 100 ringgit maybe okay, half swing. I mean, if we can stay above here, then maybe you want to watch if we can stay above here, okay, if we can stay above 1 ringgit, then maybe you want to watch for half swing, okay. PMBTECH, okay, PMBTECH I said long term this aluminium is starting to move higher okay. This PMBTECH also making a higher low, so now it's going up. I'm not saying big rebound, but it's trying to turn around, I think, okay. As long as stay above here, okay, as long as stay above here, okay. As long as stay above here, okay, 1.19. If you drop below 1.19, then probably fail, okay. Okay, so this will be, have to wait and see what happened on the tariff. Next tariff still got 1 week to nego, okay. So also tomorrow we want to see how's the rally what happened, okay. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye bye.